Guys, how are you guys doing today? So today, my friend to jump into a bush. So that was him jumping into a bush, and he's gonna. Ladies, we have spotted a person. If you get too close, you might get angry. Bit of thundery weather, you know, the old rumble of thunder everywhere, but I absolutely love thunder and lightning. It's the best thing ever, in my opinion. It really freshens the air, and hopefully we'll get some nice weather after this. It's looking really, really dark now. It's really, I mean, it probably looks a lot darker on camera than it does in real life. I'm not sure. Jesus. A thunderstorm. Let's hope we don't get struck by lightning. Bird. You always see a bird when it comes to thunders. Always. Started to rain now. I've just shut the window a little bit. My god, this is terrible, this weather. But I love it. I love terrible. I like it when it thunderstorms. I hate it when it rains. There's hailstones as well. Jesus, the winds are really, really strong. This is bad. Whoa. Hail everywhere. Like literally giant hailstones here in the window. Whoa. This is awesome. This is intense now. Lightning. Whoa. Let's go check the cat. Crazy. This is freaking mental. Lightning has struck literally right behind my house. My house is here, and there's where the lightning hit. Whoa. It's up there. I wish I was watching it. Okay, so we're back to blue skies again, and it's very, very light. I think we've got another one coming, to be fair. And look at that, it looks really, really bad over there. So, and that's coming towards us. And I've just checked on my lightning track, and the cat's in the window again. Look at him, look at her, sorry. She's always around. But yeah, it looks like there's another storm coming from over there. I'm not sure, there might just be clouds, but that's Birmingham way, and there is lightning over there, so storms over there that's just past us. Those really bad hailstones everywhere. It was like intense. I could hear him banging on the door. Really been doing much. As I say, I'm still at work this week, but next week I've got a week off, so I'm going to be heading out to work later on. But as I say, I start a video for you guys just for your entertainment. Nah, I'm just doing it because I sometimes enjoy doing it. I say, and this time I've changed a lot. I got myself a new gaming setup, guys. Look at that beast. And it's a new desk. It's like a proper office desk. It's awesome. It fits loads of desk space.